Okay, happening today, West Mulberry Street in downtown Baltimore, going to be back open. It's been shut down because of a big sinkhole for almost 9 months.
Yeah, crew's been working on it since the huge sinkhole collapsed the road. ABC 2 News' Brendan McNamara is there live for us. Brendan, how does it look now?
Well, this morning we're seeing something that we haven't seen since July, which is traffic on the 500 block of West Mulberry Street, marking the end of a very long construction project. It almost looks like that nothing really happened here, but of course we know that that's not the case. You can compare this, what we're seeing now, to the video from last July when that massive sinkhole opened up, 30 feet deep, 40 foot by 50 foot wide, caused by a water main break. Just a massive hole. Crews have been working on it ever since. It's finally almost complete. Today there will be 2 lanes of traffic, we're told, at some point, and then it will open back up to 3 lanes. And the city says part of the reason why this took so many months, almost 9 months now, is because it also wanted to study why this happened in case this happens again. We do know that there have been other water main breaks that have caused sinkholes in other parts of the city, and the DPW also says that the one in Cathedral Street, not far away in Mount Vernon, that will be finished up by April. So that's good news for commuters here in downtown Baltimore today. Guys, back to you.